Hi, now we are going to see how to make use of this Ultimate Member plugin. First, we have to set up the Ultimate Member plugin. We have to add a new plugin, Ultimate Member, install and then activate. And then create pages for the Ultimate Member. It will create all the pages required. And set up the menu for login and logout in Ultimate Member. And then we have to create the login and registration form. Default forms will be there for three forms. Profile form, registration form and login form. These forms we can also modify. Hide the pages in the menu from logged out users. Who should see this, who should not see this, we can adjust in the menu. How to recover the deleted default UM pages from the Ultimate Member. This we will see. Set up the Ultimate Member plugin. So go to the WP, that is WordPress dashboard, select the plugin, add new, select the Ultimate Member, install and then activate. Create pages for Ultimate Member. Again you have to go to the WP dashboard, Ultimate Member select and then there will be a create pages will be there. Click that, it will create all the pages and you can see all those pages. Default pages will automatically be created. What are those pages? User page, login page, registration page, members page, account page, logout page and password reset page. These are all the pages. Only these many pages will be there in Ultimate Member. And now we should create the menu for the registration and login form. WordPress dashboard, appearance, go to menu, create the new menu and add these pages. Select the pages. Under the pages you will have the register and logout pages will be there. Other pages also will be there. Select these two only and save it. Once you select, it will automatically be added in the menu. And create the registration and login form now. So go to the WP dashboard, Ultimate Member, select the forms now. Default forms will be there. These three forms will be shown. Select the registration form, make modifications and privacy policy will be there. Check yes or no. If you say yes, then you'll have to add which page as a privacy policy page. You can customize and use the shortcode in your pages also. Once you make the modifications, select the shortcode and paste it in your page. Now hide pages in menu from logged out users. How do we do it? Go to the dashboard, appearance, menus and then select the menu. You have to select the menu in which these are there. And select the logout. And this is the menu we want to select and select the logged in users as to who can see this link. That means this logout menu can be seen only by the logged in users. Similarly, for login, you select logged out users as to who can see this link. For register, that is for registration, select logged out users as to who can see this link. And for service, select the logged in users as to who can see this link. Only logged in users can see this in the menu, service in the menu. And how to recover the deleted default UM pages? All you have to do is go to the WP dashboard, pages, move to trash all the default pages and then go to dashboard, Ultimate Member, setting. There will be a miscellaneous setting there. Select that. Check the checkbox, remove data on uninstall. And then save changes. Now go to plugin, Ultimate Members, deactivate and delete this. Then WP dashboard, plugin, add new, select the Ultimate Member, install and activate. Now go to again plugin, Ultimate Member, click create all pages. It will be creating all the pages. And that completes the Ultimate Member guide. We have seen WP dashboard setup, create pages for Ultimate Member, set up menu for login logout in Ultimate Member, create registration login form and hide pages in the menu for logged out users, how to recover deleted default UM pages from the Ultimate Members. Thank you very much.